Hello everyone, today you have joined the DT Creative Elk YouTube channel. We'll guide you through how to add a subscribe button watermark to your YouTube videos. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. First of all, make sure you've got your subscribe button ready, so I went and created one here. I just made this in Photoshop, but you can go and get these online, or you can go and make one in a tool like Canva. So once you've got it ready, then all you need to do is come to YouTube, go to the top right and click on your channel or profile icon. Then go and click on and view your channel like so, and on this page you need to go and click on Customize Channel. It will go and take them up to Loads, and under Channel Customization, go and click on Branding and come down to Video Watermark, and you need to go and click on Upload. Your File Explorer will open, find it and select it and click on Open, and then what you can do is go and crop it if you need to. I don't know, so I'll press Done, and you can then go and see how it will look in the bottom right here. And you can also choose when it's going to be displayed, so I want it to be on the entire video, and I'll then press Publish. And now when I go to the bottom right of one of the YouTube videos, we can go and see the button. If you found this useful, then please leave a like.